Hello, this is Alejandro speaking, and this video is for a tutorial on the activities and tasks that we are going to miss because of the problem with coronavirus. So remember, we still have class, but not physically. So I will be posting things on Campus Virtual, as always, on this course, Inglés Específico 1. So the course material, as always, is here on this folder. So we can open the folder and we can see that the folder now has all this material. Okay, let's see. Material 3. This is the new topic. Topic 2, the marketing of tourism. Okay. First, you have this activity, number 1, where there are some pictures. You have to answer for each picture with a comment like the example. So imagine that you are advertising this place, this touristic place, to possible customers. For example, in picture 1, you can practice a lot of snow sports and you can go hiking on the mountains. This is a fantastic ski resort where you can stay with breakfast and dinner included. It is an idyllic place for couples. So the preferred customer or the potential customer is a young couple, and the place is a ski resort or a winter resort. So you sell this resort to these possible customers, the young couple. In this case, the young couple likes activities for snow and having the resort near the snow with all the meals included. Okay, so you have to do the same for number 2. You can see here, and number 3 here, number 4. So different types of customers and different types of resorts and touristic destinations. So you have to write 4 or 5 sentences for each type of advertisement. Okay, you see this new lesson is about advertising in tourism. So that's why it's called the, the marketing of tourism. Okay, so we can go on. Page 2, you have activity 2, defining types of tourists. You have to watch the video and answer the questions based on the video. Okay, the video is on YouTube.
You know why you're so important.
You can use the subtitles in English. Okay, so you have to watch this video. Using subtitles helps you to understand, and you have to answer the questions. on material 3. Okay, these are the questions you have to answer. And fill in the blanks. All right. Number 3, describe 2 types of tourists coming to Spain or Extremadura, any place in Spain, and check the different types according to the preferences they may have, the statuses, their backgrounds, etc. So, like in activity 2, different types of tourists going to a country. In this case, think about Spain or Extremadura. Right here, which kind of tourist? Is this a family type of tourist? Is it a young tourist? Is it a kind of older people? Are they groups of people? Okay, so different types of tourists. Recommend places to go and things to do according to this kind of tourist. Also, evaluate the cost of things, how cheap or how expensive, how affordable they could be. So write that here in activity 3. All right, so those are the activities for this week. I will have uh, I will have here on Campus Virtual. I will post here under the course material. I will post the application, the space where you can upload these activities. Okay, so I will post these later. You can upload these activities until next week, until the week of March 23rd to March 30th. Okay, so you can upload here these activities based on course material. All right, and then you also have other online activities on module 3. I am posting more activities here. You also have the activities for March to finish. Remember, you have all these based on the material and other activities I uploaded for multimedia activities and reading activities. Okay, so you have to do this before March 31st. Before March 31st. And before April 20th, before April 20th, you have these activities I'm going to post here based on material 3. Okay, in particular, we are going to work with prefixes and suffixes. So you have a list here. This is the list of prefixes and suffixes that are important. I have marked with an asterisk those that are more important. Okay, you have those that are more important for us. So these, so you have all the words disagree, dislike, etc. Ill, illegal, etc. Immature, impolite, etc. So all these are the important ones with the asterisk. Okay, all the asterisk prefixes are the important ones. And also the suffixes, those with the asterisks, those are the important ones for this course. Okay, you have all the important ones for adjectives. You have also all these to make adjectives with suffixes. So those activities are here. Uh, You have the activities based on the prefixes and suffixes here. Quizzes right now. These are the activities until April 20th. So do them on your own, and answer them as well and as reflexively as possible. Okay, don't jump into the quiz. Don't go fast. Try slowly. You can do more times. You can try more times. Okay, if you don't get it right at the beginning, okay, you can get one that is right, and you can check on your own, or so you can always try before. So see if the mistake here is the N. All right, now it's right because it was the M before the P. So I am, not IN. So different right answers or wrong answers. You can check on your own. You can check the answers that are right before submitting the quiz. You submit here at the end, always. Always submitting at the end. Okay, so that's it so far. We'll be in touch. I'll write to you again with more activities for the end of March and April. I'll write with more information. Okay, have a good week and stay safe. Bye.